Hello, wonderful viewers. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an intriguing topic to explore: the step-by-step process for developing your instinct. Instinct, also known as intuition or gut feeling, is a powerful guiding force within us. It can lead to better decision-making and enhanced personal growth. So, let's dive into the step-by-step process for developing your instinct. Developing your instinct is a journey of self-discovery and self-awareness. It requires practice, patience, and trust in your inner wisdom. Here's a step-by-step process to help you nurture and develop your instinct. 1. Cultivate mindfulness and presence. Start by cultivating mindfulness in your daily life. 2. Practice being fully present in the moment, observing your thoughts and emotions without judgment. 3. Engage in activities like meditation, yoga, or deep breathing exercises to develop a sense of inner calm and awareness. 2. Listen to your body. Pay attention to the signals your body gives you. 2. Notice physical sensations, such as tension, relaxation, or a feeling of lightness. 3. These bodily sensations often hold valuable information and can serve as a compass for decision-making. 3. Reflect on past experiences. Take time to reflect on past experiences where your instincts guided you in the right direction. Consider situations where you had a strong gut feeling or intuition and analyze the outcomes of following or ignoring it. 4. Trust your initial reactions. Trust your initial reactions and gut feelings. 2. Often, our instinctual responses arise before logical reasoning kicks in. 3. Pay attention to those immediate responses and trust them, especially in situations where time is limited or critical decisions need to be made. 5. Take small risks and learn from them. Step outside your comfort zone and take small risks to develop and strengthen your instincts. Learn from the outcomes, whether they are successes or failures, and use these experiences to refine and sharpen your instincts. 6. Surround yourself with supportive people. Surround yourself with individuals who value and encourage your intuition. Engage in conversations and seek advice from people who have honed their own instincts, as their insights can further inspire your development. 7. Practice, practice, practice. Like any skill, developing your instinct requires practice. 2. Engage in exercises that stimulate your intuitive abilities, such as visualization, journaling, or intuitive decision-making games. 3. The more you practice, the more attuned you become to your instincts. Remember, developing your instinct is a lifelong journey. It's about cultivating self-awareness, embracing mindfulness, and trusting your inner wisdom. Let's summarize the step-by-step process for developing your instinct. That wraps up today's video, my amazing viewers. We explored the step-by-step process for developing your instinct, from cultivating mindfulness to trusting your initial reactions. Remember, developing your instinct takes time, patience, and practice. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more empowering content. Until next time, embrace your instinct, trust yourself, and unlock the wisdom within. See you soon.